officially did it, and thanks to you guys, I have now hit 5 digits in followers. I just hit 10,000 subscribers. At least at the time of this video, it's like the middle of July of 2025. Super grateful, really wanted to say thank you more than anything. And I also had made it a goal to release like this big digital product, basically my brain in video form with supplemental PDFs and all this stuff. I'm mostly done with it, and I just wanted to basically say I'm not done with it yet. I failed on finishing it in time. But if you guys want early access to it, fill out that form below. I'm not gonna be spamming anybody. You're not getting sold to anything. It's just gonna be in this one little Excel that I have, only me, and then I'll simply be reaching out to you, say, hey, here's that product I was talking about, do you want it? And if you sign up now, I'm definitely gonna take that into consideration as a big thank you and hit you with some kind of discount. I haven't worked that out yet. I literally haven't launched anything. I just have already 200 4K videos banked in like organized, and then supplemental PDFs for most of them, etc., as well as homework assignments, timestamps. It's basically everything that I've done over the course of 20 years to build my music business, to build my guitar level skills as well as a teacher, and help students just like you to achieve freedom on the guitar. It's everything in one product. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I know you will. I put a lot of work into it. It's almost done, and by the time you're watching this video, it might be. So fill out that form either way. I will be reaching out to say, hey, thank you so much. Here's a special discount just for filling out that form. Again, your email will not be spammed. You have my word, and I really appreciate you guys. Thank you again for helping me to hit 10,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Really, really grateful.